Accuracy performance event going on now. Is your accurate dealer during the Accurate Season of Performance event going on now.
I was on heroin.
I use crack cocaine.
We're the Addiction Network. And if you have a problem with drugs or alcohol, you need to call the number on your screen now. Addiction is a disease, and you can't go it alone. The call is free, and so is the consultation. So why haven't you called? What are you waiting for? Call the Addiction Network now. Get the help you need.
Call 800-301-7711.